to study how water is transported in plants. Plants consist of two different types of vascular tissues. Xylem for transportation of water and nutrients from roots to the shoot and the leaves of the plant. Phloem for transportation of food from the leaves to the other parts of the plant.
But madam, how can we demonstrate the process of transportation of water in plants?
Let's perform an experiment to demonstrate the process of transportation of water in plants. The materials required are an empty glass jar, a stalk of celery with leaves, yellow and red food colors, and water. Take an empty glass jar and fill it 1/4 with water. Keep the glass jar in sunlight. Add a few drops of yellow and red food color to the water and put a celery stalk in it. Leave the setup undisturbed for 3 days and observe. Observation. Faint flecks of yellow and red colors on the leaves and the stalk of celery are seen. If a cross-section of the stem is cut, it also displays shades of yellow and red. This is exactly where the xylem is present. Result. This shows that water is transported in plants through xylem vessels. Do's. Do use a fresh celery stalk. Don'ts. Do not overfill the glass jar with water.
Thank you, madam. This experiment has made the concept very easy to understand.